Greetings, avid history seekers, and welcome to The More You Know, your ultimate portal for a deep dive into the mesmerizing annals of the past. Today, join us on an extensive exploration as we navigate the intricate web of history, unraveling the nuanced relationship between North and South Egypt, and peeling back the layers of time to expose the profound complexities that shaped this ancient civilization. The Nile River, the lifeblood of Egypt. Our odyssey begins on the banks of the majestic Nile, often hailed as the gift of the Nile. Beyond its utilitarian roles in agriculture, transportation, and sustenance, the Nile River emerges as a cultural conduit, intertwining the destinies of North and South Egypt. From its origins in the south to its expansive delta in the north, this life-giving waterway not only shaped the physical landscape but also fostered a unique spiritual and cultural identity. North Egypt, the Delta region. Venturing into the northern expanse, Lower Egypt reveals itself as a flourishing tapestry of biodiversity and agricultural prowess. Cities like Memphis and Alexandria, with their bustling markets and architectural marvels, stand as testaments to the innovative spirit of North Egypt. The meticulous irrigation systems and advanced agricultural techniques employed in the fertile Nile Delta served as the backbone of the region's economic prosperity. South Egypt, the Nubian kingdoms. As we ascend along the Nile, we enter the heartland of Upper Egypt, home to the enigmatic Nubian kingdoms. The intricate history unfolds against the backdrop of the Kerma civilization and the Kingdom of Kush, where the people of South Egypt showcased their mastery in gold mining, ironworking, and monumental architecture. The Nubian influence, with its unique artistic expressions and cultural practices, adds vibrant threads to the rich tapestry of Egyptian civilization. Unification and division. The genesis of ancient Egyptian civilization occurred around 3100 BCE, marked by the unification spearheaded by King Menes. This foundational moment established the first dynasty and erected Memphis as the capital in North Egypt. However, the historical narrative is far from linear, as the unity of North and South Egypt experienced periodic divisions and reunifications, each era leaving an indelible mark on the socio-political landscape. Cultural exchange and influence. Despite the geographical expanse that seemingly separated them, North and South Egypt engaged in profound cultural exchanges. Shared religious beliefs, artistic styles, and linguistic traditions acted as bridges across the Nile, fostering a sense of common identity. Trade routes not only facilitated economic transactions but also served as conduits for the flow of ideas, technological innovations, and precious resources, enriching the cultural mosaic that defined ancient Egyptian society. The rise and fall of empires. The grand stage of history witnessed the ascent and descent of empires, with power dynamics oscillating between North and South Egypt. During the New Kingdom period, Egypt expanded its influence southward, reaching the Fourth Cataract of the Nile. However, the pinnacle of conquest gave way to the somber notes of decline during the late period, as foreign powers such as the Assyrians, Persians, and Greeks left an indelible imprint on the once mighty civilization. Cultural achievements and architectural marvels. Delving further into the cultural achievements of North and South Egypt, we encounter the grandeur of monumental architecture. The pyramids, sphinx, and temples of Luxor and Karnak are enduring symbols of the ancient Egyptian mastery in engineering and artistry. Each structure tells a story of religious beliefs, societal organization, and the unparalleled craftsmanship that defined the apex of ancient Egyptian civilization. Scientific advancements and knowledge exchange. Beyond the visible monuments, the ancient Egyptians made significant strides in science and knowledge. From advancements in medicine, astronomy, and mathematics to the development of hieroglyphic writing, the exchange of ideas between North and South Egypt contributed to a shared pool of knowledge. The famed Library of Alexandria in the north became a beacon of intellectual exchange, where scholars from both regions converged to expand the boundaries of understanding. Legacy and modern discoveries. As we conclude our journey through the corridors of time, it's crucial to acknowledge the enduring legacy of North and South Egypt. Modern archaeological discoveries continue to unveil hidden treasures, shedding new light on the lives and customs of ancient Egyptians. The preservation efforts along the Nile, safeguarding historical sites, provide contemporary enthusiasts with a glimpse into the splendor of a civilization that flourished on the banks of this ancient river. In summation, the saga of North and South Egypt is a multifaceted narrative, weaving together threads of unification, division, cultural synergy, and the perpetual dance of power. The Nile River, beyond being a geographical feature, emerges as a dynamic force that both united and separated these regions. The ancient Egyptian civilization, nurtured by the fertile lands and diverse cultures of both North and South Egypt, stands as an everlasting testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the quest for knowledge. Thank you for embarking on this extensive exploration with us. If the richness of history has captivated your curiosity, express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to The More You Know. Stay tuned for upcoming journeys into the depths of our shared past. Until our next Odyssey, continue your quest for knowledge and unravel the enthralling narratives woven into the fabric of history.